Download.
Video?
Video? No, shit. Just see download.
Quit being weird, Devon.
Let's see download.
Where do you go for download? To find download.
You can't get it.
You put it too far under there.
I'm just doing. Guys, can you stop?
Stop!
Sorry.
Bye.